driving tests. You know why though? Because I do make driving lesson videos. It's just most of the time when people go to the channel, they're searching for the what's on the driving test.
Oh,
so everybody wants to watch the driving test videos. So when I make driving lesson videos, I do get some views, but not nearly as much as the driving test videos. So I tend to I used to make a lot of them. I used to make them every day. But then I realized that people are not necessarily watching those as much as they're watching the test videos. So, you know, YouTube, the formula is you stick with what works, right?
Yes, that's right. And you have a lot of views as well.
I do get a lot of views. I get like, you know, nice 50, 60,000 sometimes.
30,000.
Yeah, some of the videos have, yeah. I remember a video with 150,000.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Wow.
some of them are doing great.
Yeah. Are they from like people from Florida or like just people who know
You mean people are watching?
Yeah.
No, there are people watching from all over the world. When you go on YouTube, in the algorithm, it tells you where people are watching from.
Oh.
So, there are people watching in Africa, there are people watching in Canada, Jamaica. It tells you a percentage, right? So it's a good percentage of people, like 1.8% of the total amount of people watching are in Jamaica. You know, some are in Canada. I forget the exact number that some Canada goes straight. But 89% of the people watching are in America, not necessarily Florida, but it's in America. But yeah, people are watching from all over. People are watching from India. People are watching from the Philippines. Yeah, it breaks down where people are watching from. But you know, people are planning to come to Florida, right? So if you're planning to come to Florida and you want to know what the Florida driving test is about, you will go on YouTube and search for it, and then you're gonna find my videos. You know what I mean?
Would you say, well, I mean, Florida has different laws than other states, right? But I mean, what is the most?
But the driving test is very similar.
Very similar.
Wherever you take the test, because I get people commenting from all over America actually, that they watch the videos and pass their driving test in whatever city or state they live in, because the stuff is generally the same.
Okay.
Some of them will have parallel park. We used to have parallel park. We don't have parallel park no more, but some of them have that. But you know, there are minor differences, obviously, right? A lot of them are on the street. They take you out on the street. In Florida, they generally don't take you out on the street. But you know, most of the things that you do, a three-point turn is a three-point turn, whether you do it in Florida or New York City. You feel me? Parking is the same. You know, reversing is the same. So most of the stuff that you learn and that you do on the Florida driving test would be universal, basically. You know, there are not that many things that they do on the test here that's not on every test. Like I said, they took the parallel parking off of it because, face it, in Florida, keep going straight. In Florida, you generally don't need to parallel park, like unless you're on the beach. So it used to be on the test, but they took that off. And they don't take you out on the street on the right lane. And that's primarily because they used to get into accidents a lot when they were doing the driving test out on the street. And now they're not getting in the car with you because of COVID. So when you're doing a driving test now, they call you on the phone and you do it like that. They're not getting in the car because they're afraid of COVID. They tried it in one location the other day, and a couple of the examiners got COVID.
Oh no.
So they cut that out really quickly. So now they're not getting in the car at all. So they call you on your phone, you put it on speaker. I had 2 people for the test this morning, both passed. It was pretty cool.
So they tell you what to do in the cars, or?
Yeah, they call you on the phone and they give you instruction. Well, direction really, because they're not telling you how to do anything. They're just telling you what to do. You know? Okay, we're gonna make a right turn here. Yeah, they call you on the phone and they tell you step by step. Okay, they'll say reverse from here and go to the left, whatever. And then they'll say, you know, straighten up, reverse in a straight line, make the right turn, slow down, go into the middle lane when you go around. Like right here. Yes, good. Yeah, so they'll make you reverse. They'll make you do a quick stop, which is speeding up to 20 miles per hour and doing a sudden stop. They'll make you park in between some cones, and you know they'll make you do the 3-point turn, and the rest of it is just stopping at the stop sign and basically following instructions. Yeah, you know it's pretty straightforward. It's only like 7 minutes long, 7 or 8 minutes. But that said, people fail all the time though. Because people go to the driving test unprepared and they fail. It's not because the test is difficult, it's just because people go there unprepared. So by the time you get to the test site, you won't have any problem. Because I don't bring people to the test site unless they can pass the test. You know what I mean? If I don't honestly believe that you can pass, I'm not taking you. Because when I go there with you and you not even say fail the test, but if I take you to the DMV to do your driving test and you can't drive, what does that look like for me as a driving school, right? So I make sure my people are prepared before I go there. So most of the time my people pass the test. We have one of those cars.
Oh, I like those cars.
We have a green one.
Oh, great. Oh, you mean you have an extra one?
We have a green one, yes.
Oh, for the school?
For the school, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I was using that one before I got the yellow one. Look at this guy. That was ridiculous.
Wow, that was interesting.
That was crazy. You said that was interesting?
Oh, that was
crazy.
Yeah, that was really...
Yeah, that was interesting. Oh, that was pretty crazy. There go the G-Wagon. Love that car.
Oh, that's a nice. Yeah. Oh, I didn't know they had a Mercedes.
Yeah, that one. You know how much that one is? That one is like 110 grand.
Oh my gosh! Wow.
Yeah, the Mercedes G-Wagon. That's not like the regular ones.
Is it called a Jeep or G-Wagon?
G-Wagon. G-Wagon, yes. I mean, they range in prices still because they have the AMG ones that are super expensive. So, yeah, I don't know the exact price of the new AMG ones, but I know it's mid 150, something like that, in that range. But these regular ones like that are probably closer to 110, something like that. So you see, I was actually just trying to show you guys how she's doing. She's doing well. She's getting there, little bit at a time. So the next time that you see a video with this student, take a look at her. It's gonna be when we're practicing the driving test.
Yes.
So when we're practicing the test, then I'll make a video for her so you can see how much she's gonna pass by. Because she's gonna pass by 100 points, 100%. I don't want anything less, right?
Alright, I'll do my best.
Yeah, 100%. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Again, please like the videos, share the videos, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Tell all your friends about the channel. And do me a favor and watch some of these driving lesson videos. Encourage me to make more driving lesson videos. Because I really only make the test videos because I feel like that's what people want to see. So if you want to see more actual driving lesson video like this one, then just leave that in the comments. Just tell me to make more driving lesson videos. I have students all day, every day, so I can literally make at least 2 or 3 a day if I want to, but I won't if you guys are not interested in watching them. So let me know if I should make more driving lesson videos, alright? Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.